We love Hagen.
I love agent. Yeah.
So this is a video that we generated for Nickel. We posted it on our social media as well for anyone who hasn't seen it.
Yeah, this is not me. Yeah. But just before we go to Hagen, I was just wondering about a thing. Like, we know that the ethical considerations of AI and all, we'll discuss about it. But, like,
Hmm.
with even so much advancements, like, all we can see are good use cases. All we can see is that, like, AI is being used for good, right? For now.
Hmm. Hmm.
Is it because it has not yet penetrated to the people who can misuse it, or is it because like any technology, majority of the people or most of the people might just start by using it for the good and not like generally like as a society people might not use it for the bad because like we have softwares like Stable Diffusion, HeyGen, deepfake generators on Replicate. Like we have so many things, but has we see one-off cases of Taylor Swift and all these people, maybe one-off, but the majority of the cases are still coming for the productivity and for the good. So is it a good thing or is it how technology evolves? I don't know. Just a thought. Yeah.
So my opinion is that we see the good use cases because the bad use cases will fly under the radar. That's why
Yeah.
we
Hmm.
don't see we don't go searching for the bad use cases. I don't think like I okay I have, but generally in like our everyday searches we don't
No,
search
I mean
for
you don't have to
bad
search for
use
it. In case
cases.
something really bad happens, you will get to know about it. Like it will spread. I mean, I have not seen something massive happen, very,
Yeah,
very
from
bad
that
so
perspective
far.
I think
Yes.
it's yeah it's too soon, but there's a huge
Yes.
potential.
Yeah, there is potential. There is
I
potential, but
I think we do not hear about these topics because the circle we belong to and the kind of things that we are discussing are more of on a positive side. But there is a certain section in the society which always tries to find something where they can find a loophole or something that they can utilize to harm someone or maybe just scam someone in general, right? Even if not harm. So financial losses, all of that. And we already seeing that happen on a regular basis. We saw one large scam that happened with the CEO being impersonated and getting the funds transferred, right? That was a huge scam that recently happened with the deepfake. So because it's a technology which is in progress, and for
hmm.
you to be able to utilize this technology for a bad thing, you need to be technically able, right? It is still not very like it's not just like a mobile app. You can just download a mobile app and record something and you are done with it. Most of the models
Hmm.
are still at recent stages. Applications which actually allow you to do this are like very costly, so it's still out of reach of many people. Uh, but I guess as things progress and as things become available to common man, the
Hmm.
scams around AI with the deep fake videos, deep fake audios, and images, all of that will start being very normal, and then we will see a new range of products or new range of AI models coming in, which will try to stop that.
Hmm. Interesting.